Okay, we're here looking at the NEPTH18 from the Vent-A-Hood catalog. This hood is identical to the SEPTH18 and also the EPTH18. The only difference between these three models is the shape of the lip. You'll notice that the NEPTH has a rounded lower edge. As we take a look at this hood, we're going to notice that they've outfitted it with dual level lighting. They also have this easy clean system that allows the grease to drain into this removable tray. Vent-A-Hood is known for this filterless system. It is a centrifuge. The grease liquefies here at the bottom of this blower housing and drains from this hole at the bottom of the unit. This filterless system makes it the quietest, and we're looking at a 3-blower unit. This unit features dual level LED lighting. It is fire safe as the flames can't survive in the vacuum environment up in your attic space. It is the quietest for the CFM rating, as the single blower rated at 300 CFM comes in at 5.4 sones. The dual blower at 600 CFM comes in at 6.5 sones. The 3-blower at 900 CFM comes in at 6.3 sones. And the 4-blower rated at 1200 CFM is rated at 6.6 sones. Now we're moving right along to your duct cover extension. This is the piece of metal that sits on top of the hood and extends it to your ceiling line. So we have 3 different production duct covers available: the WDC RND 2612 for an 8-foot ceiling, the WDC 2624 for a 9-foot ceiling, and the WDC RND 2636 for a 10-foot ceiling. Keep in mind that this is going to give you 30 inches of space between the top of the stove and the bottom edge of the hood. You may want to hang this hood with a little bit higher elevation. That's certainly okay to do. We recommend hanging it at 30 because you'll get the best performance at that height. If you want us to custom make you a duct cover at a different height, we can do that. Email us here on my portal and I can give you cost and lead time for that custom duct cover. Vent-A-Hood doesn't like to have any seams visible on this product, so we have these production duct covers in 1-foot increments with no seam, but we can custom make a duct cover at any different height you'd like. In addition to that, we can even do vaulted ceilings. Reach out to us on our support terminal. All right, now's the fun part. We get to figure out which one of these is going to fit your project. So we're going to start with the 3-blower models here. They are the 900 CFM varieties, and we have 5 different widths to choose from: 42-inch, 48-inch, 54-inch, 60-inch, and 66-inch. And we look at our lip designs on the right-hand side of the screen. We will determine that the NEPTH is the rounded lip design, the EPTH is the squared-off professional lip design, and the SEPTH is the diamond cut design. So for exhausting these, we can run this with Vent-A-Hood's VP562 transition. And what that does is it takes an 8-inch diameter hole and a 6-inch diameter hole and combines it into one 10-inch diameter duct that you will then run to your roof or out a sidewall of your home. So we have in roof caps 2 different options available: the VP552 or the VP552HP. And we determine which one just by how steep your roof is. And if you want to vent this out the sidewall of your home, Vent-A-Hood has a VP554 wall louver. All of these available at ventahoodparts.com. We caution you not to reduce the pipe because that's going to cause a performance reduction. Watch my videos, Ducting Do's and Don'ts Part 1 and 2 on YouTube. It will give you an idea of how much loss you're going to experience if the installer reduces the pipe. And if you don't want to have run one 10-inch diameter pipe, we have the lower diagram here. We can run one 8-inch diameter pipe and one 6-inch diameter pipe separately up into your attic space. Vent-A-Hood has 2 different wall louvers, a VP526, a VP528. And for roof caps, we have our models here for both the 8-inch diameter and the 6-inch diameter. Now we're moving right along to the 1200 CFM varieties. We have 3 of these widths. We have a 54-inch, a 60-inch, and a 66-inch Here laid out at the top are your part numbers for those 3 different lip designs. Now Vent-A-Hood has a VP563 transition inside the body of the hood that can be used. This is going to take 2 8-inch diameter holes and combine them into one big 12-inch duct. And if you have room for that duct in your rafters and you want to run this option, we have 2 different roof caps available depending on how steep the roof is, the VP553 and the VP553HP. And we have a wall louver to go out the side of your house, just a really big wall louver. It is the VP555. And if you can't run this big 12-inch pipe, we can do 2 individual 8-inch diameter duct runs, as the lower diagram illustrates, and we can do that by using Vent-A-Hood's wall louver, the VP5. Our last stop today is Vent-A-Hoodparts.com. You're going to click on the category Transitions, Wall Louvers, Roof Caps. There you're going to find all the manufacturers, installation accessories, including the back vent elbow, including high flow wall louvers and roof caps. Top right-hand corner of the screen, you can click a link that'll take you to our email form. That is where you can ask us questions, lead time, cost, availability. We are awaiting your questions. Thank you.